This is a story about birds and the monkey. Under a huge tree, some monkeys were taking shelter from the rain. The birds on the tree saw the monkeys standing under the shade of the tree. Seeing their sad faces, the bird felt pity for them. They told the monkeys, "Why don't you make shelter like us on the trees that can protect you?" The monkeys thought the birds were making fun of them. Filled with anger, they tried to harm the birds and destroy their nest. But the birds quickly flew to the top of the tree. Seeing their behavior, the birds asked, "We tried to help you, but you took it as an insult. Is this how you repay someone's kindness?" Hearing their questions, the monkeys immediately apologized to the birds. Moral: we must learn to appreciate someone's act of kindness. Thank you for watching this